passive income.
Passive income.
Passive income.
Passive income.
Passive income sounds fantastic because it's a fantasy. But a business that grows on your terms without burnout, that is entirely possible. And in fact, once you realize the truth behind the passive income myth, you can earn more because you're able to focus on what matters instead of chasing a mythical creature. It reminds me of that Finding Bigfoot show that's gone on for something like 9 seasons with no sightings. That's a lot of effort with no payoff, right? So let's put the passive income fantasy back where it belongs, and I will show you how creators and business owners earn more on their terms. But first we need to understand what not to do. Here's what happens when you chase the myth of passive income. You make a digital product, maybe a course, that you plan to build once, sell forever. It's a phrase we've all heard, right? And at first it'll seem like the TikTok gurus were right. You launch and make some real money, maybe a couple thousand in the first month. Maybe you earn 10 grand. You're thinking, yeah, I have cracked the code. But then something strange happens. Once you get past that initial launch buzz and try to coast on those passive sales, your income crashes. You might go from earning thousands down to hundreds, with maybe a few sales trickling in now and again. So you start to wonder, is there something wrong with your product? Is there something wrong with how you launched? Is there something wrong with you? Spoiler alert, it's not any of those things. Here's what successful business owners know. Passive income is a lie, and to multiply their impact and earnings without burning out, they shift their focus to something called recurring income instead. It is exactly what it sounds like. Money that comes in predictably every month, often from the same customers. So instead of selling something once and hoping that new customers keep rolling in, you provide ongoing value. So those same customers have a reason to pay you monthly or yearly. And here's the part that might surprise you. You don't need to rebuild your entire business or work around the clock to make all of this possible. If you already sell courses or videos, you just need to answer one question to find your new path. What do I offer that will keep people coming back month after month? You have tons of options here too. It's not one size fits all. You could add new content weekly or a few times a month, or schedule regular live streams for Q&As, office hours, or workshops where people can interact with you through the chat. Fitness and business niches both have a lot of success with regular challenges for accountability to make sure their customers get bang for their buck every single month. And my favorite sticky feature is having a community with your content, because it lets your people interact with each other and feel less alone. I talked to Dave Hansen, the founder of Your Saltwater Guide, and he told me the community is a huge deal to the people in his fishing membership.
If you go and you look at the community, they're sharing exactly what they're catching, exactly where they're catching it. They're showing pictures of their children and smiles on their faces because they know it's a protected community and they want each other. They want to share their success with the other members so the other members know the website works, which is just a big, giant good thing for us.
Think of these value add options like a menu. You can pick what works for you, your schedule, and your audience. And if you're just starting out, you can pick one and add more later to be a safe bet. I know this sounds like more work than the passive income fantasy. And yeah, it is. But it actually makes money consistently, which is what the passive income gurus promise but can't deliver. But I have to warn you, there is a big mistake that can ruin your chances of success when you start building a recurring income business. I see it all the time when people try to cobble together 5 different tools and platforms. It just makes more work and more headaches when the different tools don't play nicely with each other. The right way to do this is with a platform that will handle your content, your community, and your recurring payments all in one place. Our team reviewed the top video monetization platforms and created a guide showing you exactly which platforms are right for different kinds of business. It's linked in the description, so check it out, and thanks for watching.